There he goes. Yep. Following the road, coming around, going east. Yay! Here he goes again. He's gonna go out of sight. He's up above the nest tree now and coming around towards the church. And he went behind the strangler pig. Here he is coming to the... Oh, look at that glide. Look at that glide.
Beautiful.
Oh. Oh, boy. Oh, what a flight. Here comes Harriet.
No food.
That's Harriet.
That's Harriet.
Look how white it is.
Yay, Mama. We love you, Mama. Yes. 12:07, Mama. Down into the nest. Oh, good. Harriet took off to you. Bye, Mom. Okay, getting busy. Getting busy on the branches.